Hi, I'm Jacob. Architects and designers all around the world love Stern's high-class soap dispensers. We have a wide range of special finishes that are in accord with all types of interior styles. Most importantly, they are highly durable and designed for heavy traffic locations. But what if you are satisfied with your soap supplier or you are engaged in a multi-year consumables contract? Will you compromise the overall design? Will you settle with a plastic soap dispenser attached to a mirror, which can be ugly and messy looking? Here, we have the original soap container connected to our soap dispenser. Now you can bring any soap that is compatible with our soap dispenser and use one of the two adapters that we provide for you to attach your choice of a container to our soap dispenser with ease. Then, insert the soap tube through the hole in the middle and attach one of the multi-feed adapters. Once you have connected the soap dispenser, you're good to go. Here, we have another multi-feed adapter, making it possible to connect 2 or 3 soap dispensers at once, saving time and money. Easily connect the soap tubes from either side. Now you can bring any soap that is compatible with our soap dispenser and use one of the 2 adapters we provide for you to attach your choice of a container to our soap dispenser with ease. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please check out our Stern Engineering channel now. Have a good one!